Hello students, everyone welcome back to your online classes. We will continue with the same topic, that is No Place for Us. Page number 171. Some years later, Jatra stayed for a few years in Sinduri. So this Jatra Bhai, he stayed only for few years in Sinduri village. The children were also getting older. Now his children has also become older. But Jatra's heart was not here in Sinduri. He still missed his old Khedi. But this Jatrabai, he did not like to stay in this place, okay, Sinduri, because he was missing his old place, that is Khedi village. But there was no Khedi now. There was a big dam and a big lake of collected water in and around Khedi. So now there is no Khedi village. So in that village there is a big dam and a big lake of collected water in and around Khedi. Jatra thought, if we are to be called unwanted guests, then at least let us go to some place where our dreams can come true. So Jatra Bhai is saying that if people are calling them unwanted guests, let them go to some place where their dream can come true. Jatra sold his land and his animals and came to Mumbai. So Jatrabai, he sold his land and he also sold his animals, and after that he came to Mumbai. Here he started a new life with his family. So after they came to Mumbai, again he started his new life. His only dream was to send his children to school to give them a better future, a better life. So this Jatrabai's dream was to send his children to school to give them a better future or a better life. Here too things were not easy, but he hoped that things would get better. So though they have come to Mumbai, but still the things were not easy. And Jatrabhai was hoping that things will soon get better. Jatra started saving money to repair his one-room shack. His relatives would tell him, don't waste money on this. Who knows, we may have to move from here too. In Mumbai, there is no place to stay for outsider like us. So, Jatrabai started to save money in order to repair his one-room shack. But his cousins, his relatives used to tell him that he should not waste money on this, because who knows that again they have to move from this place to another place, because in Mumbai there was no place to stay for outsiders like them. Jatra was scared and worried. So that time also Jatrabai was frightened and he was worried. Okay, worried means mentally troubled or concerned. He thought, we left Khedi for Sinduri, we then left Sinduri for Mumbai. Then he thought that they left Khedi for Sinduri and again they left Sinduri for Mumbai. If we have to move from here to, then where can we go? In this big city, is there not even a small place for my family to stay? So he is saying that if again they have to move from this place, so where they can go? So Mumbai is a big city and he is asking that, is there not even a small place for my family to stay? Think, what had Jatrabai thought while moving to Mumbai? Did he find Mumbai as he had imagined? What kind of school do you think that Jatra's children would be going to in Mumbai? Find out and write. Do you know of any family that has come to your town after having moved out of their place? Talk to them and find out. From where have they come? Why did they have to come here? What kind of place did they live in there? How do they find this new place compared to the old one? Is their language and way of living any different from that of the people here? In what ways? Learn some words from their language and write them in your notebook. Do they know how to make some things that you cannot make? What? Have you ever read or heard of a city slum being removed? How do you feel about this? People also shift from one place to another when they get transferred in their jobs. How do they feel them? Debate. Some people say that the city people do not create garbage. Cities are dirty because of the slums. How do you feel about this? Discuss and debate between yourself. So here is, you have to write the advantages and disadvantages. Okay. What we have learned. Like Jatra's family, thousands of families come to stay in big cities for many different reasons. Do you think their life may be better in a big city from what it was before? Imagine how they feel in a big city. So students, I will be sending you all the notes through WhatsApp. So please copy all the answers in your notebooks. Okay. Thank you, students.